Welcome back to the channel. My name is JesseMcDesign. Today we're going to be doing a little remodel of my little space here. The main thing is I got myself a new a work surface, because this is pretty ridiculous, honestly. It's like 2 foot by 2 foot, and I have stuff on here all the time and it's just annoying. So I got myself a nice I think 24 by 36 worktop with a self-healing mat for when I do my leather and all that different kind of stuff. So super excited about that. That's the main thing that's going on. Another thing is, as you can see, this lighting is weird. I have this light that helps me see here. It's a little bit brighter, and then like right behind you I just have an 18-inch ring light. So I also bought 2 new LED panels that'll make this a lot more brighter and look a lot nicer. And then I got a weird corner light that goes up in the corner right here, so that'll give me some nice backlight that'll help light up this dark void that's going on back here. So first things first, I'm gonna push this out of the way so I have some more space back here. I have just enough to basically sit back here, and then we're gonna rearrange some of the stuff on the wall. I want to put my Wendigo painting. You may or may not have seen it. I'm gonna put that there in place of the skateboard, and I might move some of this stuff around just a tad bit. There's a space here. I'm gonna add another skateboard that I painted. I'm gonna get out of the way so we can get a before shot. So at the very end we'll have I'll do a nice side-by-side before and after of what we got going on. Alright, so we got the background rearranged. I'm pretty happy with how it is right now. I didn't turn the lights on yet. I'm gonna wait till the end for that. But right now, I'm gonna spin you around. We're gonna throw this table together. I have most of it put together. We just have to throw the legs on and tighten a few bolts down, and then we'll lay that out and just kind of figure out what else we may have to move around. Alright, so there you have it. The main point of this video was basically this desk, this work surface. I'm super happy with it. I got it squared up with the frame of the camera and everything. I think it looks great. There is actually one more thing. I got this self-healing mat to help protect the surface. I want to keep this nice and clean as possible. I still did keep the old cabinet I was working on top of before below it. It has a bunch of storage, and the top of it's all cut up and stuff, so if I have to, I can push this forward and still work on that and on dirtier whatever kind of projects, you know what I mean. Also, I noticed that this space is kind of bare in the shot, so I might put something there. Another main point of this video was these lights. I'm sure you can tell I'll put, you know, a little before and after I'm done talking here. These lights, definitely, I can tell they make a difference. At least for me, I can see a lot better. But I also kept the ring light behind the camera, and then I added that light up in the corner like I was talking about. I know this was kind of a different video. Normally I'm over here making something, creating a piece or whatever, but with this work surface, it's definitely gonna help me create more things. I think it creates a more visual aspect for you. I think it looks a lot better. With that being said, If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up. It really helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. Like I said, I'm always over here making, creating, doing something that I think is fun at least. See you on the next one.